Hey you guys, I'm Holly, and I found a lion puppet. It's so cute. Look at it. Hi. I like him. I think he's my new best friend. Originally I had bought him to send to Amazing Phil, I think. But I never got around to it, so now I have a lion puppet that I need to find something to do with. I'm going to put him on the other hand. I cannot talk ever, apparently. There we go. That's so much easier. Oh god. Makes your hand kinda hurt though. I'm happy now. So I'm sitting here with this puppet here the whole time. But today is 4th of July and my hair is blue, so I'm not wearing any other colors that would be 4th of July because my hair is blue, and I think that's good enough, don't you? I was wearing my red aviators though, like, so it'd be like red blue. I went to a parade this morning. I will eventually probably put what I videotaped on film. I'm entertaining myself with this puppet. But, yeah. Also, today, I'm going to... What am I doing? Oh, I'm gonna go see fireworks this afternoon. I'm excited. Because I don't really see them that often. I'm being really stupid. I'm sorry. I'm in a good mood today. I don't have school, and then I have school tomorrow, and then I don't have school anymore. Well, till next week. And I'm gonna take them off soon. Here's my aviators. I found them. Yeah. My jawline's weird shape. Yeah, I was walking around like this, but then my hair got hot, so I started doing... I can't do it because there's no hairspray in my hair. I did just like my hand. So I was walking around like that. And I wanted to put on this headband. This one. I actually have a lot of them. I have multiple, all colors. I'm gonna fold it up. Hold on. And I'll probably take this off. What line? But I was gonna fold it up, not this small, and put it like under my bangs. That looks terrible because it fell down. Wrong side. Whoop. I have it like under my bangs, but I have my bangs up. Well, back. I can't see. Okay, this video is really random. I apologize. Well, I don't, because I just... I'm tired, obviously. I just didn't have much to talk about, and because all that's been happening, I just found this, and I was just like, I'm gonna make a video. I'm gonna make a video. I wish his mouth moved though. I wish I could like move his mouth like that. That'd be great. That would be very entertaining in my life. What if I filmed the whole video like that? I can't do it. Oh god, this is so hard. I don't know. Whatever. Ooh. Oh, he's gone. I don't know what to say. But I'm gonna edit those videos that I took. Really, I just took pictures of like maybe you should be tired. No, I'm just kidding. But, I took a video of the marching bands. And, because I was in one of them when I was in college, in high school. And a few other things, a few random things. And I might make a video mashup of them. And when we go see fireworks, I'm going to film some then. I'd do that thing or whatever. But, I'm going to film some then. And then I'll mash it all together in a big wad of mash. I was gonna say mess, but then I said that too. And then put it out, probably on here. What time? I am so tired. I would take a nap. But oh, I was gonna say, I found a video. I don't know if I'll put it anywhere. I might edit it, like take chunks out. But it's of me and my friend. I think it was Christmas? No. But we were both opening presents, so I don't really know what holiday that'd be. Because if it wasn't Christmas, I don't know when it'd be. But we were just talking about that being stupid and stuff. And I think it'd be entertaining to put out into the world. There is also a video of me somewhere that I will not tell anybody ever, but it's on YouTube, you just have to find it, of when I was in Macy's, well, at Macy's, like, the big parade, in a hotel, and I figured out that I could spin, like, I could hop up the bed, spin, and then land on the bed. I don't know why. I got really bored, and my friend videotaped it, and it's somewhere. Don't look for it, please. Oh god. That was so long ago, and it looks so weird. I mean, I look weird now. I'm so pale. I mean, I know the camera is making me paler, because the sun's over there. But I'm literally just pale all the time. And my gauges. Oh, actually, I put my old ones in them for me. Like what I did is I put the shiny ones in one of my older tunnels. Oh. And then I put it in there because the tunnel itself won't fall out, and I was just like, well, I found this diamond, so I was just going to put the diamond in there, but it fell out, so I was like, I will put that in there too. Oh my god, I just thought about it. If I wore, you guys, I'm gonna look crazy. I'm gonna be awesome. I might change clothes because I don't like this clothes. But if I wore this, not like this, obviously, but if I wore this, oh, I look awesome, right? And this, I'd be all red, white, and bluey. Wow. I always do that. I always make that face, and then it looks weird because there's shadows. But yeah, I'll probably look like that later. Not that terrible, because I'm not dressed up or anything. So, yeah. And I found my camera. It's a Canon Power Shot. That's what it looks like. It doesn't have its battery in there now because it is charging. But look, I got this out of a 25-cent machine. But I had one. I don't know where it is, but I put it up. I have hiccups. But I put it on my USB drive. That little thingy that you stick into stuff. I put my old one on there, and I changed them out. Also, let me do this first. I don't know. I'm gonna just do. You probably can't see it. So there's a spider out there, and I swear to God it's the same spider. I'm gonna have to end this video because I have hiccups. But I'm pretty sure it's the same spider from the last video I made. I don't like having hiccups, so I guess I'll go. Oh, this is making me so unhappy. Can you hear the sound? That sound? Oh, I don't like it. But thank you for everybody who watched this. If you have got to this point of the video, I can't believe you got to this point of the video because the beginning part was so stupid. Thank you, and you could, like, or no, like it's down there. You could like, that way. You could like it, or favorite it, or subscribe to me. Oh, I have hiccups. I don't like this. Or nice things. I always pick the wrong direction, like, 'cause that way is opposite. Hiccups. Anyway, I love you guys.